guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kali ini video aku bukan konten makeup, bukan juga vlog. Hari ini video aku itu untuk tugas kuliah aku, my final exam. Jadi ceritanya tugas aku itu seakan menjadi seorang tour guide. Guys, tolong jangan judge my accent dan my pronunciation ya, karena aku memang benar-benar juga lagi belajar buat ningkatin skill Inggris aku. And so jangan lupa like dan komen, karena like komen teman-teman itu sangat berharga untuk aku, mempengaruhi my score, nilai aku di final exam aku. And then happy watching. Good morning everyone, welcome to Putri.id. My name is Putri and I will be your tour guide today. We are on our way to Taman Mini Indonesia Indah, also known as TMI. We have new arrived at our meeting point, which is the Jatimulya LRT station. Our journey will begin from Jatimulya station and we travel to Cawang station for a transfer. After that, we will continue directly to TMI station. If you have any question during the trip, please feel free to ask me at any time. Now let's begin our journey to Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. Enjoy the trip everyone. Next, we will enter Jatimulya LRT station and head to the train. During our journey, we can enjoy the beautiful view of the city from inside the train. Next, we will transfer at Cawang station. A few moments later, we arrived at Taman Mini Indonesia Indah station. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at Taman Mini Indonesia Indah station and we will be heading to the entrance of Taman Mini Indonesia. Please be careful while walking, keep an eye on your belongings and make sure to stay with your group member at all times. Please follow me as we process to the entrance. Thank you for your cooperation. After that, we will take a bus to Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. Welcome back everyone, I am Putri, your tour guide for today, and you're traveling with Putri.id. We have now arrived at Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. Behind me is the relief Sumpah Pemuda, which symbolizes the spirit of unity and nationalism in Indonesia. And then in front us is the Tugu Api Pancasila, which will be our first destination today. Feel free to take some picture here before we move to next destination. This relief commemorates the Yacht Pledge of 1928, a history moment that united Indonesians under one homeland, one nation, and one language. It remains a symbol of united nationalism and the spirit of the Indonesia youth. Sumpah Pemuda, or the Youth Pledge, played an important role in Indonesia's struggle for independence and continues to inspire future generations to preserve national unity and cultural diversity. And now we have arrived at Tugu Api Pancasila. You can enjoy the beauty beautiful fountains and the green garden while taking photos and relaxing in this area.
Tugu Api Pancasila stands as a symbol of national unity and the enduring spirit of the Indonesian people. It represents the values of Pancasila, which serve as the foundation and ideology of Indonesia. Next, from across the Tugu Api Pancasila, we move to the Grand Pavilion. This beautiful building showcases traditional Javanese architecture and reflects the elegance of Indonesian cultural heritage. Inside, we can also see historical display including a royal carriage and statues of important national figures. Ladies and gentlemen, our next destination is the Indonesia Museum. This museum showcases the beauty and diversity of Indonesia culture, tradition, and traditional houses from various regions. Next, we can take the free angling shuttle to explore traditional houses from various regions of Indonesia without getting tired from walking. Our next destination is the Transportation Museum. Here, we can see historic trains that played an important role in connecting different regions across Indonesia. This locomotive reflects the development of railway technology over the years and preserve an important part of the nation's transportation history. Today, they remain valuable cultural heritage for future generations to learn and appreciate.
Everyone, next destination, we are now in front of the traditional house of East Nusa Tenggara. This traditional house reflects the rich culture and tradition of the people of East Nusa Tenggara. Its unique architecture is one of the symbols of the local community identity. East Nusa Tenggara consists of several major islands, such as Flores, Sumba, and Timor, each with its own unique customs and traditions. Please enjoy the surroundings and feel free to take some photos before we continue to our next destination.
This house is a symbol of the traditions and cultural heritage that are still preserved by the local community today. And now we move to the traditional house of North Sulawesi, which showcases the unique architecture and tradition of the region. Next, we will walk to the Istana Boneka. There we can take a short break, enjoy the beautiful surroundings, and take some photos. Next, after walking a short distance, we can see the traditional house of Papua, known as the Honai. This unique house is one of the most important symbols of Papuan culture and heritage. The Honai is usually built with natural materials such as wood and grass. Its round shape and low roof help keep the inside warm, especially in the cool highland areas of Papua. Inside the house serves as a place for family members to gather, rest, and preserve their traditions. Here, we can also take photos and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere while learning more about the rich culture of Papua. Today, the Honai remains a symbol of the wisdom, identity, and cultural heritage of the Papuan people. After that, we will take a ride on Kereta Gantung, which means a cable car, to enjoy the beautiful scenery of Taman Mini Indonesia Indah from above. We can see the lake, traditional houses from different regions of Indonesia, curses, and many other landmarks across the park. And in the afternoon, we can watch the cultural parade featuring traditional performance from different regions of Indonesia.
Ladies and gentlemen, this brings us to the end of our tour today. Thank you for joining Putri Tour ID and for your cooperation throughout the trip. I hope you enjoyed your visit to Taman Mini Indonesia Indah and learn more about the history and culture of Indonesia. It has been an honor to be your guide today. I wish you a safe journey home, and I hope to see you again on another tour in the future. This is Putri signing off as your tour guide today. Thank you for your attention and companionship throughout the journey. Have a wonderful day.
I just had to let you know you're